questions and study at your own pace on our website. The link will be in the description. Let's get started. Question 1. Under which condition is TCP preferred over UDP? Option A. UDP is used when low latency is optimal, and TCP is used when latency is tolerable. Option B. TCP is used when drop data is more acceptable, and UDP is used when data is accepted out of order. Option C. TCP is used when data reliability is critical, and UDP is used when missing packets are acceptable. Option D. UDP is used when data is highly interactive, and TCP is used when data is time-sensitive. The answer is option C. TCP is used when data reliability is critical because it provides mechanisms for ensuring data is delivered accurately and in order, including error checking and recovery. UDP is used when missing packets are acceptable because it does not provide these reliability features, making it faster, but with the risk of data loss and disorder. Question 2. What is a purpose of traffic shaping? Option A. It enables policy-based routing. Option B. It enables dynamic flow identification. Option C. It provides best effort service. Option D. It limits bandwidth usage. The answer is option D. Traffic shaping is a network management technique used to control the amount of data that is sent into a network to prevent congestion and ensure optimal performance. By delaying or regulating the flow of certain data packets, traffic shaping effectively limits bandwidth usage of different types of network traffic. This ensures that critical applications receive the necessary resources while preventing non-critical traffic from monopolizing the available bandwidth. Question 3. Which state does the switch port move to when port fast is enabled? Option A. Blocking. Option B. Listening. Option C. Learning. Option D. Forwarding. The answer is option D. When port fast is enabled on a switch port, it immediately transitions to the forwarding state, bypassing the usual listening and learning states that are part of the normal spanning tree protocol process. This is typically used to prevent unnecessary delays on ports connected to end devices that do not cause bridging loops, such as workstations or servers. Question 4. What is an enhancement implemented in WPA3? Option A. Applies 802.1x authentication and AES 128 encryption. Option B. Employs PKI and RADIUS to identify access points. Option C. Uses TKIP and per packet keying. Option D. Defends against deauthentication and disassociation attacks. The answer is option D. WPA3 includes enhancements like mandatory protected management frame support, which defends against deauthentication and disassociation attacks, among other upgrades and security protocols. This is a new feature compared to WPA2, which mainly uses 802.1x authentication and AES encryption. Question 5. By default, which virtual MAC address does HSRP Group 14 use? Option A. 00:05:5 E:19:0C:14. Option B. 00:05:0C:07:AC:14. Option C. 04152673 3C0A. Option D. 0:00:0C:07:AC:0E. The answer is option D. The correct virtual MAC address for HSRP Group 14 is 00:0:0C:07:AC:0E. HSRP uses a specific format for its virtual MAC addresses, which is 00:0:0.0C07.A/CXY, where XY represents the HSRP group number in hexadecimal. Converting the HSRP group number 14 to hexadecimal results in 0E, giving the full MAC address as 0:00:C07AC:0E. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to check out our website where you can find more questions for this exam. The link will be in the description. Thank you for watching and good luck on your exams.